Ever wondered how to naturally support your liver health and boost its detoxification powers? Sure, turmeric gets all the glory, but did you know there's a whole world of spices out there that can work wonders for your liver health and are even more powerful than turmeric? Get ready to spice up your life and your liver as we explore some unique spices that are great for keeping your liver happy and healthy. Number 1, cinnamon. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, which are like little warriors that fight harmful stuff in your body. These antioxidants protect your liver cells from damage caused by things like pollution, junk food, and even alcohol. But wait, there's more. Cinnamon also regulates your blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar is all over the place, it can put extra stress on your liver. But cinnamon keeps things steady so your liver can chill out and do its job properly. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this stuff really work? Well, there have been some studies that suggest cinnamon can indeed boost liver health. For example, one study found that cinnamon extract reduces fat buildup in the livers of rats fed a high-fat diet. While we're not rats, it's a good sign that cinnamon might have similar benefits for humans too. Plus, it tastes really good. Whether you're adding it to your morning coffee, sprinkling it on your oatmeal, or using it in your favorite recipes, cinnamon adds a warm, comforting flavor that can't be beaten. Number 2, fennel. Fennel seeds also contain a compound called Silymarin. This stuff is like a superhero for your liver. It works by stimulating protein synthesis, which is crucial for repairing damaged liver cells. It promotes the production of new cells, replacing those that have been injured due to factors like alcohol consumption, toxins, or inflammation. Additionally, Silymarin modulates inflammatory pathways in the liver. Inflammation is your body's way of reacting to injury or sickness, but if it sticks around for too long, it can hurt your liver. Silymarin dampens this inflammatory response, reducing tissue damage and promoting healing. Now, when it comes to taste, fennel seeds offer a refreshing sweetness. You can add them to salads and soups or make a delicious fennel tea. Number 3, cumin. Cumin's got this magic ingredient called cuminaldehyde, which might sound fancy, but trust me, it's pretty cool. This stuff helps your liver by stimulating enzymes that break down toxins. So your liver is like a big filter, cleaning up all the junk from your body. But sometimes it needs a little boost, and that's where cumin comes in. It increases the activity of enzymes like cytochrome P450, which are like the janitors of your liver, sweeping away toxins and keeping things tidy. Plus, cumin helps with digestion, which indirectly supports your liver because a happy tummy means less stress on your liver. So next time you're looking to spice up your meals, don't forget about cumin. It adds a warm, slightly nutty flavor to your meals. Number 4, cardamom. Ever heard of glutathione? It's a powerful antioxidant that your liver needs to do its detox effectively. Well, cardamom boosts the production of glutathione in your liver, giving it the extra strength to fight toxins. It also manages cholesterol levels in your body. High cholesterol can cause some serious trouble for your liver, as it can lead to fatty liver disease and other complications. But when you ingest cardamom, it triggers your liver to produce and release more bile. Now, what is bile? It's a liquid made by the liver and kept in your gallbladder. It breaks down fats and escorts excess cholesterol out of your body through your digestive system. So thanks to cardamom, your liver gets a boost, your cholesterol stays in line, and your body stays healthier overall. Number 5, nutmeg. Nutmeg contains compounds like myristicin and safrole, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds protect your liver cells from damage caused by toxins and inflammation, kind of like putting up a shield around your liver to keep it safe from harm. But that's not all. Nutmeg also supports your liver by promoting healthy blood flow. Your liver needs a good supply of blood to function properly, and nutmeg ensures that blood keeps flowing smoothly to your liver, keeping it happy and healthy. And it pairs beautifully with a wide range of ingredients, from creamy sauces and soups to baked goods and beverages. Add a pinch to your morning coffee or tea for a warm and comforting start to your day. Or sprinkle it over roasted vegetables or grilled meats for an added layer of flavor. Number 6, cloves. Cloves have a unique compound called eugenol. It's like a superhero for your liver cells that protects them from damage and even promotes their regeneration. Now, let's talk about ALT and AST. They are enzymes primarily found inside liver cells. When the liver is damaged or inflamed, these enzymes leak into the bloodstream, causing their levels to rise in blood tests. Elevated ALT and AST levels are indicators of liver damage or disease. Now here's where cloves come into play. Studies have shown that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in cloves, like eugenol, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and protecting liver cells from damage. This prevents the release of ALT and AST into the bloodstream, effectively lowering their levels in liver function tests. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7. Black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. Now, piperine is a pro at increasing the bioavailability of nutrients. In simple words, it helps your body absorb more of the good stuff from the food you eat, including vitamins and minerals that support your liver's function. Think of it as opening the gates for all the good stuff to enter your liver and do its magic. But that's not all. Piperine also has anti-inflammatory properties. It calms down any inflammation in your liver, giving it a chance to heal and thrive. And hey, there's science to back it up too. Studies have shown that piperine can enhance the activity of enzymes involved in detoxification processes in the liver, making it more efficient at clearing out toxins. So next time you're seasoning your food, don't forget to sprinkle some black pepper. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic contains organosulfur compounds, which inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells in the liver. These compounds interfere with various pathways involved in cancer development, essentially putting the brakes on tumor progression. Now let's talk about apoptosis. Our bodies have this amazing system where damaged or abnormal cells, like cancerous ones, are programmed to self-destruct. And guess what? Studies have shown that garlic can actually trigger this process in liver cancer cells. So it's like garlic is telling those cancer cells, time to pack it up and go. And hey, did you know garlic can naturally thin your blood? By promoting healthy blood flow, garlic ensures that your liver gets everything it needs to do its job effectively. Number 9. Rosemary. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants, just like other liver-loving spices we've talked about. These antioxidants are like shields, protecting your liver cells from damage caused by toxins and inflammation. They form a protective barrier around your liver, ensuring it stays strong and resilient. Also, it actively supports the detoxification process. Studies have suggested that rosemary enhances the activity of enzymes involved in detoxification, making your liver more efficient at breaking down and eliminating toxins. And here's the best part. Incorporating rosemary into your diet is easy and delicious. You can sprinkle it over roasted vegetables, add it to marinades and sauces, or infuse it into olive oil for a flavorful boost. It adds a wonderful aroma and taste to your dishes, making healthy eating a whole lot more enjoyable. Number 10. Mustard seeds. Mustard seeds contain a compound called allyl isothiocyanate, which is a bit of a tongue twister, but trust me, it's got some serious benefits for your liver. This compound stimulates the production of enzymes in your liver that are responsible for detoxifying harmful substances. Mustard seeds are also rich in essential nutrients like selenium. Studies have shown that selenium deficiency can increase the susceptibility of the liver to injury and disease. On the flip side, adequate selenium intake has been associated with a reduced risk of liver conditions such as fatty liver disease and liver cancer. Number 11. Ginger. Ginger prevents liver fibrosis. It's basically when scar tissue starts to build up in your liver. It's like your liver's way of trying to heal itself after being injured or dealing with chronic inflammation. But too much scar tissue can start to mess with your liver's function, making it harder for it to do its job properly. Now, ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which have some serious anti-inflammatory powers. They calm down the inflammation in your liver, kind of like putting out a fire before it gets out of control. But that's not all. Ginger also has this amazing ability to inhibit the activation of hepatic stellate cells. These are the cells in your liver responsible for producing all that scar tissue. By putting the brakes on these cells, ginger prevents excessive scarring in your liver, keeping it nice and smooth. Number 12. Oregano. Oregano contains flavonoids, a group of mighty molecules that play a crucial role in repairing and regenerating liver cells. These flavonoids work by stimulating the production of new liver cells, replacing the old ones that may have been damaged due to factors like alcohol consumption, toxins, or even infections. Now let's get a bit sciencey here. Studies have shown that oregano extracts can enhance the activity of enzymes involved in liver detoxification processes. These enzymes are like the cleanup crew in your liver, breaking down toxins and ensuring they're safely eliminated from your body. But wait, there's more. Oregano also supports bile production and flow, which is essential for proper digestion and the removal of waste products from your body. Bile emulsifies fats and escorts excess cholesterol out of your system, preventing fatty liver disease and other complications. So there you have it, a flavorful journey through the world of spices. From the comforting warmth of cinnamon to the zesty kick of ginger, each spice brings its own unique benefits to the table. Whether you're sprinkling them over your morning oats, brewing them into a soothing tea, or incorporating them into your favorite dishes, these spices are sure to spice up your life and your liver in the most delicious way possible. So why not give your liver the love it deserves and start incorporating these liver-loving spices into your diet today? Your liver will thank you for it. And who knows, you might just discover a new favorite flavor along the way. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!